Hey, welcome to my new video. Wanna know how to use motion and fitness on your Apple Watch? By doing this, you can track your steps, calories, and activity levels all day long. In this video, I'll show you how to use the motion and fitness feature on your Apple Watch. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Open up the fitness app on your Apple Watch. It is a 3-colored rings icon. After opening this app, it will show you 3 rings. Red color tracks the active calories you've burned. Green color tracks your exercise that you've done. And blue color tracks how many times you stood. After that, swipe up to get a detailed overview of your daily activities, including steps, distance, and flights climbed. And that's for today. This is how you can use the motion and fitness feature in your Apple Watch. Hope you find this video helpful. If you have anything to ask, let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned. Goodbye.